are you in tech but you're not sure yet if you want to join us at RenderATL? Let me go ahead and explain a little bit about this conference so you can go ahead and decide if you want to join the party. So this is going to occur from the 11th to the 13th. It's going to be in Atlanta. And to explain a little about the event, we got a ton of speakers coming to town. You can go ahead and see the full list there. But it's going to have 80 plus speakers and workshops, 7,000 plus attendees, and 100 plus exhibitors. Now, if you're curious about what's going to be going on, you can go ahead and download their free app. They have an Apple app as well as an Android app, totally free. Once you sign in, you'll be able to see what I have here to the left. So it has all the events that's going to occur. You might notice some of these are earlier than the actual conference. The reason for that is the conference is part of the Atlanta Tech Week. So if you get there a little early, you can go ahead and enjoy some extra tech events earlier in the week. So in here you go ahead and of course click what day you want to go to what's happening on each day. You can filter by what you're looking for, something technical, something like a party, something AI related. You can also of course search through if you know the exact term you're looking for. Now for the conference itself, if you click down here, you get the full list of what's happening to the conference. For the ones in the same time slot, you can scroll to see which one catches your attention the most. If you know a certain speaker is popping up that you want to see, you can go ahead and type in their name. For example, I know Bree Hall is going to be there. And for each speaker, they'll have different ways to connect with them. If you click here, you could also add the event to your calendar so you won't miss out on it. So let's go back here. One cool thing too is you could use the filter as well to decide what track you're focusing on, UI, Netlify, web. So you can find out exactly what you're looking for. It depends on how long it is, what type of audience, are you experienced, are you just beginner. Those are all helpful. Lastly, another thing that's also very helpful is if you go to the more info, you can look at the job board as well. So you can submit your resume, you can join the Discord, see what sponsors are going to be there and get the exact conference location. For speaking of the Discord, every Friday there's going to be an event in the Discord that is totally free to join. So if you want to get familiar with some faces before you go, feel free. Now for the fun part, let's talk about the prices. So for Render, there's two types of tickets. There's general admission and there's VIP admission. For the general admission, it still comes with like the conference. You get access to the food trucks, the tech week. If you do want to join their house party, of course, that's going to be a separate ticket. So they do have a big concert going on. For a VIP, the house party is included. And on top of that, you also get early access to different workshops. You'll get to join a VIP-only badge pickup party and 50% off of the cool swag. Another thing too is there's a group sales discount. So if you get 3 or more people, you get 20% off your total purchase price. Additionally, if you're just going yourself as general admission, you can use my Render Ambassador code. So that would just be Janet S for a 15% off. Well, I hope that helped you decide where you can go ahead and look and see if this is going to be the event for you. Hope to see you there and have a great time.